at Impact Bowlers. What a nice bounce pass para sa ilalim. And kay number 5, tumira ng 3. Oh, that is a strong side. Teammates niya. Oh, what a nice sidestep move yun, no? And number 7, number 77, easy layup, but it's not count. Number 7 para sa Impact Bowlers, and that is a easy 2 points para kay number 7. Play, pero tumira siya ng 3. Kapos. Binigay kay number 1. Between the legs, dribbling, exhibition, pero that is a jumbo. 7, nakuha ang bola, binigay sa kanyang teammates. Easy 2 points sana yan, pero hindi niya nakuha. Number 7, that will be a 2 points para kay number 7.